A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment. Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video and update on the Hbar coin and Hedera. We'll talk about it just in general, we'll talk about the technicals. We'll talk briefly about the fundamentals as well. I quickly wanted to check that out. I always think it's interesting and important to at least know what a crypto is doing and how it is doing. So I always try to show that to you. Not always, but I try to do it most of the times. What you can see with Hedera is that, well, basically since the last 4 days we have stayed at the same total value locked, but it is still in an uptrend. And Hedera is still doing great as a blockchain and great as a project. So fundamentally, I'm actually quite bullish about Hedera and Hbar. Now, technically though, you can see that we're very much still in an uptrend. We're respecting the 50 EMA. As most of you know, the market is fairly bullish. And the thing though is that Bitcoin, at least right now, is dropping a little bit. And we're feeling that throughout the markets. You can also see that with Hbar, we found resistance at 9.2 cents. And we're dropping down to this level. It's a major support level, by the way, between 8.4 and 8.8 cents. Now, the big question is can we hold this level? That's really the most important level. The level that houses the 382 fib, 28 EMA, 50 EMA, and just in general is a strong technical level. Will we be able to hold that as a support or will we break? And then the thing we're afraid of is that we'll break down below I would say break down below 8.4, then we're really in trouble because then we'll do something like this and probably drop down all the way to like 7.6, 7.5. All right, so it's really about that level, and 8.4 really is the bottom of it. Perhaps you could argue 8.3, but for the to not make it any harder on you, let's say 8.4. And the big question is can we hold that? And I think yes. I think Hedera fundamentally is bullish, and I don't think we're going to lose that much bullish momentum from Bitcoin in the next 24 hours that it will push us all the way down through this level. I think we'll be able to hold it, probably consolidate on top of it for a little bit. But then after that, I do expect us to continue this bullish momentum, break above 9.2, and to continue up to our famous resistance level around 10 cents. Major resistance level, psychological level, and once we reach that level, we'll talk again about whether we can break that or not. We hit it once, then a couple of us from the community actually had some great short trades here. It was a great level to short. But we'll talk about whether we can break that. If Bitcoin can actually stay bullish like this, then I do think that at some point we'll be able, not easily, but at some point we'll be able to break through 10 cents to get up to 11 cents, which is the next resistance level. But for now, it's definitely going to be a resistance level, and we're not, as I said, we're not easily going to break through that. So yeah, that's my take on that. I'll keep you updated on Hbar because right now, I mean, as most of you know, the markets are pretty weird. Yesterday we had quite a funky day with Bitcoin, to say the least, and it could very well happen. I mean, I'd say this has like a 75% chance. I think there's a 25% chance that we are not able to hold 8.3. So then we'll drop down to 7.6, 7.5. Isn't the end of the world. Also brings some great opportunities to trade Hbar, but also to analyze. But it's, yeah, I just want to warn you that it's in the air. I just don't think it's the most likely scenario. So that's my full take on Hbar. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care, enjoy your day, and bye.